Hello guys, this is Ravi Agrawal for XoToZo Interactive, and we are having a parcel from Amazon.in. It's the HDMI cable. Okay, so I'm going to unwrap it and then do the unboxing. This HDMI cable is by BlueRigger. Okay, so I have ordered one for me, which is 4.5 meters in length. It's around 15 feet. Okay, quite well packed. I was unable to find good quality HDMI cable. Usually I wasn't able to trust any other brand. Why I ordered this? It's not too cheap, not too pocket unfriendly, that's why, and it had a lot of good reviews, good comments on Amazon. Okay, so the MRP is, as you can see, 790. There was no discount on Amazon. I got it for 790 only. For the 10 feet 3 meter you can get it for 600 rupees. 15 feet 4.5 meter 790, 25 feet 7.5 meter for 1100 rupees, 3 feet or it's around 1 meter, I think it's for 400, and a lot more. You can get up to 10.5 meter, that's around 35 feet for 1700 rupees. Okay, let's not just waste time and open it. Okay, it's made in China. Okay, so BlueRigger high speed HDMI cable with Ethernet 15 feet. Okay, so let's just see it. Okay, it looks good. Heavy, solid cables. First impressions, nothing as manual. Limited lifetime hardware warranty. Okay, so it comes with limited hardware lifetime warranty. Okay, it supports a resolution of 720p, 1080i and 1080p and beyond. They mentioned 4K video also, but I don't know whether it's true or not. My TV still supports full HD 1080p. They say 4K and 3D is also supported. Okay, okay, let's just see the gold plating. Gold plating looks very nice. I have seen a lot of HDMI cables. I haven't seen HDMI with such a good gold plating quality. Okay, and same goes here. Okay, the build quality is also nice, rugged kind of feeling. Packaging, 5-star for packaging too. So for the length, let's just see it. Okay, no more wasting time. Okay, it's quite lengthy. I got what I ordered for. Okay, I think I should quickly measure it, whether the length is well or not. Okay, okay, so I ordered 4.5 meter wire, HDMI wire. Okay, so I am using it. I think 40 inch is equal to 1 meter, if I'm not wrong. 40 comes here, that is 1 meter. Okay, then starting again from here, 1 meter, then it's 2 meter. Okay, 2 meter is done. Okay, to 2 meter till here. Let's just do some more. Okay, 3 meter till here, and then okay, 4 meter till here, and starting from here. Okay, it's half a meter. Okay, so it's quite long then, 4.5 meter in actual. So the quality you get is nice, as well as the length is also correct. Usually the cables we find out in the stores is around 1 meter, 3 meter, 5 meter, 7 meters. It comes in odd numbers. So this is quite cool. If you have desired length in your mind, you can go with it. Great gold plating, solid rug design, and comes in good packaging. Okay, the price is a little high than compared to market price, but it's fine. I think you are getting a good quality for the price. Last but not the least, I also wanted to purchase. I was looking for other option. In my mind, I was thinking to buy a Belkin HDMI 5 meter cable, but that was around of rupees 1200. I saved 400 rupees. That's not a lot of money, but I saved some amount of money. I think I have done the right decision going with BlueRigger. I hope you have liked the video. Thanks for watching. See you later.